Hey guys, welcome to my personal videos. Today I want to show you about the battery backups and the importance of having a battery backup for all of your equipment in the house. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I have a couple of battery backups and I also have a machine plugged into this monitor. And the reason why I want to demonstrate what a battery backup does, and a lot of people have a misconception of a search strip. Now, a search strip is only available to provide extra plugs for power. So if you have it plugged in on the wall and you have a bunch of other stuff plugged in and a storm comes through or power goes off, that is not going to protect anything you have plugged in there, because as soon as power goes out, that surge protector will go out automatically. Now the battery backup, the way that they work is they have, well, the word says it by itself, they have a battery inside of it. So what happens is, when you're running a machine like this and power goes out, it will give you a certain amount of time for you to turn down the machine, save all the work that you have, and turn off properly the equipment. Now, I'm demonstrating the equipment of a computer at the moment. This is a desktop tower, and this battery backup is a 550 VA. We do have those in stock for those who like to purchase one. Now, this will keep about 40 to 45 minutes on. It'll give you enough time. If you have more stuff into it, obviously the battery life will be shorter. As you can tell, we also have the 750, and this is the 1000. Now for the 1000, we recommend for those who have high-end equipment, especially if maybe you have a business and you have your server IT room, and then you have a bunch of switches and routers and all this stuff. It's good to have a good battery backup in case this goes completely out. Alright guys, so now I'm going to demonstrate what it's like to have the computer operating while the battery backup's unplugged. So at the moment the machine is actually running off the battery, it's unplugged at the moment, and it's beeping. So in some cases, if your battery backup's old or if it's probably faulty, the battery backup will keep a constant beeping noise once the light goes out, once the power's out. So if that happens, you will have to replace your battery backup. Now this will go from 3 to 5 years. If you have a battery backup more than 3 years old, it's good to replace it. So if you guys have any questions on the battery backups, you can always leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching.